In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle a scam transaction on eBay effectively. This guide is designed to help you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring you have the best chance of resolving the issue in your favor. To begin, you'll want to open your Chrome browser. It's important to use a reliable browser for optimal performance and security during this process. Once you're online, log into your eBay account using your credentials. Make sure you're entering your details accurately to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, head over to the Purchase History section of your account. This is where all your recent purchases are listed, and you'll be able to identify the specific transaction that is causing concern. Carefully scan through the list until you spot the scam transaction that you wish to address. Once you've found the transaction, you'll typically see the option to report a problem or request a refund associated with it. Click on this option to initiate eBay's buyer protection process. This is a crucial step as it formally notifies eBay that there's an issue with your purchase. Here, you'll need to provide clear and precise evidence to build a strong case. This might include screenshots, email communications with the seller, or any details about the item that substantiate your claim. Providing detailed evidence will help to expedite the process and strengthen your case. If for any reason the issue requires additional leverage, consider reaching out to your payment provider. This step involves contacting your bank or credit card company to discuss the possibility of a chargeback. A chargeback is a reversal mechanism for disputed transactions, and your payment provider can often intervene if the issue isn't settled through eBay alone. During this process, it's vital to monitor your communications closely. Keep an eye on messages and notifications from eBay, as well as any replies from the seller. Respond promptly but professionally to all queries and instructions. Your goal is to resolve the case amicably, so maintaining clear and polite communication is key. Finally, make sure to resolve the situation with the help of eBay's support team. They are there to assist you throughout this process. Don't hesitate to reach out to them if you require any further guidance or clarification on the steps you need to take. Remember, handling a scam transaction can be a bit stressful, but by following these steps, you're ensuring that you have taken all the